Naija people, this one na Pidgin newsman about am. One Dr. Stella Emmanuel wey go medical school for Nigeria wey dey stay for US don dey provoke dey parayane as Facebook remove her page and the video wey be say she talk put. Dr. Stella wey be say she yarn for one open talk for Washington. She yarn say she don cure plenty people wey get coronavirus, about 350 with hydroxychloroquine drug. The Robo Leaders Forum for inside Delta State don dey yarn say this gbege wey dey happen for Niger Delta Development Commission wey be NDDC fit make the Omila boys wey be militant dey start to dey spoil things again if dem no handle am wella. Come dey yarn say dem no like wey be say the governors all of them just keep quiet for inside Niger Delta for this money wey NDDC oga dey chieftainize. The Federal Capital Territory High Court don sen ten ce the former Director of Finance of Niger Delta Ministry wey be Mr. Anyila Abibu for 1 year imprisonment. Come collect 2 of im land for inside Kubwa and Buhari for Abuja. They jail am because im chieftainize 60 million from federal government through one company wey dey call Zocat Nigeria Limited for inside March 2014. The Accident Investigation Bureau on Tuesday yarn wetin make the Augusta Westland AW139 helicopter wey carry the Vice President Yemi Osinbajo and other 11 passengers wey fall or crash for inside Kaba area for Kogi State. Like wetin AIB Commissioner wey be Akinolate yarn. He said the crew dey see the place wey be say they wan land wey be football field and they con use the speed of 20 kT of about 100 feet. Con dey shake to land. The federal government don yarn say Thursday 30th and Friday 31st July 2020 go be public holiday as they go celebrate this year Eid-el-Kabir. Ekiti State High Court to Ado-Ekiti Division on Monday don sen ten ce one 30-year-old man wey be Ishua Gruma for life stay for inside prison say because he for knack one 6-year-old small girl. The Minister of Information and Culture wey be Alhaji Lai Mohammed don yarn say this present government don collect back so many money wey dey chieftainize reach about 800 billion. In Koreano say they don record more than 1,400 court cases they wey say they win and na for one open talk na im yarn this talk for inside Abuja. This na Pidgin newsman about her and na me MC Nehe na im dey yarn, so make una enjoy una day.